for the material, okay, I'm going to send you my link to the Dropbox. Basically, all the lecture notes inside, and you just need to bring down the note, okay, and you can bring the notes any of the hard copy to the room, except the laptop and electronic devices, okay. You don't need to bring down the case in our class, okay. The case is to help you understand the topic and go in depth into each of the theory application, okay. But I don't ask you about the case, all right. So bring down the case will be quite thick and it doesn't help, all right. Basically, all my lecture note a question based on that, okay. So the time 90 minutes, open book, okay. That's it. Now, structure of the final exam. I answer the question of the format, of the topics, and the focus. There are some parts that you can study with focus, some parts no focus, no limitation. Okay? No limit in terms of scope. Now, you should expect to see three parts. Alright? The first part is multiple choice question, A, B, C, D. You select the right answer, no explanation at all. Okay? And you should expect to have 10 multiple choice questions. Alright? 10 multiple choice. And each multiple choice has 3 parts. So totally we have 30% for the final exam. Okay? The second exam is the short answer, and we have the limit of the scope over here. Alright? So our topic will be on FDI, trade, capital market, political risk, economic system. Alright? Those are the topics that that you are going to answer for the second part of the final exam. 2 questions on that. Okay. Now the third question is a mini case, very small case. Okay, and there are only 2 areas that you should study: control and what else? Control and economic system. Okay. Ideally, it's quite easy. In ID2, much more difficult. So case study, case here. You are going to okay. The first multiple choice cover all the chapter. Okay, all 7 chapter. The second one, okay, the second one short answer. You need to explain some concept, some argument, something like that. Open book, so work on your own, alright? And the final question, really guys, okay? You will be the advisor, okay? To the company, to the case, alright? So apply your understanding of the control of the economic system, okay? To give some advice, alright? To your boss, fix your boss, okay? Any question here? 90 minutes over. Any question? Are you clear on this? So you should actually this examination is quite light. Okay? Originally, you should have 15 multiple choice questions, okay? 3 short answer questions, and 2 mini cases. And now you have only 10, 2 and 1, okay? 10, 2 and 1, so it's quite light. So you should assign enough time, equal time. I mean, in terms of the grading, scale. Like here you have 30% of the price over here, but I don't think you need to spend 90 minutes. 30% of 90 minutes is about 27 minutes. No, should be 15 minutes over. For example, no explanation. Just select your right answer. Okay, only 10 questions. Now, for this two short answer, okay, 40%. So basically you should assign about 20 minutes over here. Alright? And for this, mini case should be 20 minutes, another 20-25 minutes. And give yourself about 5 to 10 minutes to double check your answer, your writing. Okay? So you see, the short answer also ask you the way that your answer can be short. Okay? Okay, any question? Yep.
Can I ask about the way that we can make in the short answer? For example, in the reverse subject, we have been guided by teacher that in a short answer we have to complete about the literature also the example. So in this kind of subject, have we complete in that way, or we have another form of the answer that will help you to have the best marks?
I don't remember because the computer will choose the question, okay, randomly. Alright? Randomly. And I think you're supposed to have one student, one examination paper. So no one should be the same. But I know your answer. I know your question. But let me see something to answer your question over here. Okay. Okay, so the format you should write. Let's say if they ask you to explain something, right? Of course, you need to use your format. It's okay. Definition, correct? Definition, and then explanation, and then example. Okay. And in the mini case, okay, first you need to identify, okay, identify the case, alright, and then you analyze pros and cons, impact, alright, you make the recommendation, okay, so the same, okay, the same, okay. Any other question? Any other question?
Another outreach mark of this for
Okay, very good question. I don't have the statistic because this year I totally changed the structure of the exam. No one like you before, okay? No one like you before. You are the first, class that going to have this kind of, structure. Previously, they have the true or false, and then multiple choice, and then analysis, and then case, a very long case. Okay? And this year only 3 parts. So, sorry, no statistic. And I also want to observe how easy it is for you. Because the recommendation, it should be heavier. But I don't want to keep it heavier for the first time. Okay? So it's been very good. maybe next year will be much more heavier. Any question? Any question? Yep. Continue.
I want to ask more about, because you say that this exam is quite light for us. But I think if the exam is light, we will have any factors that can attract you.
No,
and,
no factor. That's no. Do your best. Okay, do your best. Only one, because each question has the rubric already. Okay. So that's no normal, logic answer. You don't need to impress me, okay? Because I prepare I decide the structure, computer select the question and the answer already there, okay? Any professor can look at the examination paper and decide the final grading. Okay?
I want to ask about the answer for the mini case questions. So you have just guided us to first estimate the case, then present the pros and cons, then finally the solutions. So I want to ask that in terms of the solutions, are we necessary to evaluate solutions for both amplify the cons and minimizing the both amplifying and minimizing, or just minimizing the disadvantages?
It depends on your recommendation. Which one you go for? What is your recommendation? And then you justify your recommendation. I think it's the normal, logic. Normal logic. Let's go for your choice. Any other question?
Can I ask one?
Yep, sure.
What is the average point of the students?
She asked already. You are the first class. Okay. How about the last year? Last year, average 7, 8, I think so. Is this too low or too high? Too low? No. For me, the grading system at NU is too high. I don't like the fact. Okay? I don't like that fact. That's
is related to the countries that we have before, or
so you are late in the class, right? I already answered that. You don't need to bring any case to the class. No. You don't need to. Just bring the lecture note, it's okay. If we bring down our cases, we have about 26 cases, 28 cases, it's quite thick. Okay. Yep.
It's not related to what we presented before.
It's related to the discussion, but it's not directly with the topic you presented. Okay, it's more generalizing. So don't worry about the case. Don't worry. The case is to help you. Okay, it will help you understand the topic and understand the application of the concept. Okay.